Whenever I said it was too late, it wasn't. We were the ones that were too early. Because look. There's literally that's literally a red J, dude. Dude, it literally landed right there, dude. Whenever I said I was closing up the video, I was wrong. I was totally wrong. I was just a little too early this time. Cause I woke up around 6:30 today. I mean, hey. Dude, I mean, we might do a little more. No, but it's not going to be much this time. I mean, this is just a little short. Wait. Dude, there goes another one, dude. Dude, I think we're going to have more luck like this, dude. I mean, I saw one fly back there. But, I mean, hey. I mean, dude, wait. Dude. Oh my god, I'm not saying anything again. But I mean, this is like part 2, I mean. This is literally part 2. I was about to close out that last video as a gone wrong video. But this is a little, I hope this one's a little more better. We spotted 2 birds this time. That one. Dude, it's literally, I don't know. How my pet Target. Hey, Target. Look into the camera. Target. Right here. Up here. Target. Have you seen any birds? No? Okay. I mean, that's so crazy. My cat said she didn't, but she said he's a boy. I forgot. Dude. I made that video for just so guys to understand that he was a boy, not a girl. Dude. So, I mean, I'm still looking. We're still looking. Let me do a scan with the camera, guys. I don't see anything on the power lines. They usually rest on those. Guys, I mean, that's pretty obvious, guys. Pretty obvious. I mean, how that works. They're birds. Obviously, dude. Obviously. So, I mean, now there's like literally the best time to go, man. So they're about to start coming out, dude. I did wake up early because whenever I saw a woodpecker or I heard one around 6:30 in the morning pecking on this little post right here, man. So I mean, hey. So this is like one of the best, guys. I mean, post for this. There goes their bus is back to back, dude. Literally nothing. I mean, dude. Dude, I really want to learn park car. Or something like that, guys. Please comment for that. I mean, I might do it. I don't know yet. I haven't really learned. But this, I mean, I'm just waking up, man. I just damn. Dude, I don't literally see nothing. Guys, I'm gonna literally put the camera like this, and if you'll see any birds like in the sky, just let me know, because I mean, I don't really have a good eye, guys. I'm literally gonna keep that up there. I mean, Nothing, dude. Wait a few seconds. Put the camera in the air and it's not working. Dude, guys, we just did a 6-minute video on not catching almost nothing. This one, same thing. Literally almost the same thing. Guys, not many birds, dude. Not many birds. Let me go talk to them again. I'm about to tell them to shut up, dude. Guys, I'm gonna tell them to shut up so we can do this, but tell them to shut up. Okay. There goes one now. I almost missed it because of him. Oh my god. It literally flew over. Oh my god. That's so cool. I literally caught that on camera. It's in my backyard. Let's go. Guys. You saw that bird, right? Guys, come on. Cameraman, let's go. Dude, I literally saw that bird went to the backyard. Dude, it's literally somewhere back here in the backyard. My cousin sometimes come here to visit. Let's see if we can find that bird. It's literally... We got that ground, yeah. I'll do... But see, like I told you, it's a forest back here. And it literally landed somewhere in these trees. Dude, we literally caught that on camera. There's no way he could have got away by now, could it? We just ran to the backyard in the morning without me wearing my shoes. Dude, there's literally no way that bird... I don't see it. The camera doesn't see it. I don't see it, dude. So, that's just something. One day, I might have to find that off camera. I don't know. I might have to do that off camera. Please subscribe, guys. If y'all want to see more bird watching videos, please subscribe.